Hi, this is a new video about how to make your own account for Blooket. First, let's search Blooket in Google. Making an account is so easy. You can just sign up using your own existing Google account. And since I already have my Blooket account, let me just show you how to log in. Once you logged in, you will be redirected to this part of your account wherein you can see all the sets that you have created for your students. And also, you can see different icons here wherein it will lead you to different kinds of games which were also made by different teachers around the world. And here are different examples of sets made by other teachers about the topic human body. You can search different topics here in their dashboard, and there are tons of topics that other teachers have created already. All you have to do is to just open and play it with your students. So this is an example of a set which is all about animals. In this section, you will see the questions and the answers. You will also have the choice whether you'll play the game as a host or do solo. So here you can select different kinds of games that you would want to play with your students. Here you can choose if it's time bounded or like a cash goal. So let's try on cash goal. You can just click in how much money do you want them to earn, and if that ends or they reach the goal, then the game stops. For the settings, leave it as it is. No need to click anything. And let's start. So in this page, you will be able to see the link and of course the game ID. All you have to do is to copy the link and send the game ID to the students. For example, your game ID will be this one on the screen. Your students will type in this in blooket.com to play the game, and that would be 648128. After they typed the game ID, they will be asked to type in their name and choose what icon they like. Just like this. This page will show you their standing, whether first, second, or who's the last. However, this will not show you the questions that they are answering unless you would also log in and answer the questions with them. Now let me show you what will you see when you click solo. And the game that I am most familiar with is the factory. So here, we will just have to type in how many minutes do we want to play this game. And here are the sample questions. So you can use this one as a presentation with different pictures, different graphics for your students to enjoy and have fun. And this part is one of the most exciting part for my students, wherein they will be able to pick what animal they would like to collect. Now, what if you decide to make your own set? So let me just show you how to make one. Here, you will be able to click on Create and just create your own question set. You also have the choice whether you would want your set to be public or in private. Once you set up everything, you are now ready to create your set. And also, you have the choice whether you can add your own question or import from Quizlet or spreadsheet. For the correct answer, don't forget to click the correct number. And also, the most important part of this is the time. As for me, I am teaching grade 1 or primary 1, so I have to stick with 15 to 20 seconds based on their pace. And if your question is ready, please do not forget to click Save. And there you go. I hope this video will be very helpful to you in creating your own Blooket account. Till then, and see you next time.